the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making southern scalloped potatoes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 large russet potatoes, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. I'm using the no salt one. A half a tablespoon of onion powder, a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of black ground pepper, a half a teaspoon of white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of dried parsley. And we're also going to need 16 ounces of Colby Jack cheese and 16 ounces of cheddar cheese and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Alright guys, the first thing that we're going to do is take our potatoes. We're going to wash them, peel them, and then cut them. Hey guys, I peeled and I washed my potatoes. I just wanted to show you the thickness of them. It should be about that thick, and you want to slice them all the same. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up the rest of the potatoes, and then we're going to put them in a bowl of cold water to take some of the starch out of them. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you one more time before I soak these in cold water. This is the thickness, and this is the potatoes cut up. Next, I'm going to put them in cold water to soak so some of the starch comes out. Okay, the potatoes are soaking. After they're done, we're going to take them out and we're going to dry them. Okay guys, next I'm going to go ahead and put in our 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm going to go ahead, move that around in there so it can melt. This is what we call a roux. So it's 2 tablespoons of butter melted. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our minced garlic in there. Go ahead and stir that around. I'm going to lower your heat down a little. It smells so good. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our flour in there. Okay, mix that around guys for 30 seconds or until you start to see the color change on it. Once again, this is our roux. You see the color changing? Okay, now you can add your milk, and you want to go ahead and stir it so it doesn't get any lumps. So keep stirring guys. Alright. Okay guys, next I'm going to go ahead and add all our seasonings in there. Just like so. And make sure you have your heat on medium-low. And we're going to give that a stir. Alright. Make sure you stir it real good. Get all the seasonings up in there. Next step is to add our cheese. Okay guys, look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? We're going to go ahead and put our cheese in next. Okay, I'll go ahead and put Colby Jack in. And also the cheddar. And go ahead and mix that around. Look at that. Looks beautiful. It smells good too. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put some more of the Colby Jack. And also the cheddar. Alright, stir that in guys. Get it nice and melted. Look at that. We're going to go ahead and add the rest of our cheddar. Guys, that was 2 bags. 1 bag of the Colby Jack and 1 bag of the cheddar. The 2-cup bags. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look. Look. Okay, next guys, we have our potatoes. We're going to go ahead and pour the cheese sauce into the potatoes, but don't pour all of it in. Pour about half of it. Here we go. Alright. Now what we want to do is go ahead and make sure our potatoes are well mixed and they are all covered with the cheese sauce. Okay guys, your potatoes should be nicely covered with the sauce. They should look like this. Next, we're going to get the pan that we're going to bake them in. Okay, next guys, we have our pan. We're going to go ahead and take some of that extra sauce that I told you to save, and we're going to spread it on the bottom of the pan. Don't use all of it. Just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Okay. Next, we're going to go ahead and start to layer the potatoes in the pan. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, here goes your second layer. Now the next thing we want to do, we're going to add the cheese sauce on top again. Okay guys, we're going to use the remainder of our cheese sauce. And as you can see, I'm spreading it all the way to the edges. Make sure you cover up all your potatoes. Just like so. This smells amazing. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add our cheddar cheese on top. Okay guys, here I go. Add in the cheddar cheese. Make sure you get it all covered nice. You want it nice and cheesy. Doesn't that look pretty, y'all? Next step, get some aluminum foil and we're going to cover it real tight. Also guys, have your oven heating at 375 degrees. Guys, before you wrap your potatoes, I forgot one thing. You want to go and get your paprika for coloring and go ahead and sprinkle some on the top. Then you want to get some parsley flakes just for color. Sprinkle you a little bit on top. There we go. Now that's pretty. All right, you guys are ready to wrap this and put it in the oven. All right, guys, I have it wrapped up. Remember your oven, set it to 375 degrees for 1 hour. See you then. Okay, guys, so while I'm waiting on the scalloped potatoes, I have some barbecue chicken breast in the pan. And I also have some seasoned spinach. Okay guys, here you have it, Southern scalloped potatoes. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. See you guys next time.